Hi, here's how to post photos using Tumblr. So we're going to go to Photo, click on it, and you can upload to 10 photos. So I'm going to pick this photo, click Open, and you can add a caption if you want. I'm going to publish, and now I refresh the page. There's my photo. I right click, copy image URL. On the page, I'm going to click here, insert image, then I'm going to right click, paste the code, and then I'll hit post quick reply. And there's the photo posted. That's how you post photos through Tumblr. Thanks for watching. Bye.